Hi everybody! So I'm just home and I have these fruits. Been to the city today, and also I buy junk food. So this is my outfit today. Ta-da! So I'm wearing these transparent boots and this one. So I'm going to make a part two, taking off the shoes, the boots. So I'm gonna take this off. Hold your breath. Because I read in the comment, hold your breath. Hold your breath. So, yes. Smell. What do you think is a smell? Comment down below. Again, another one is this one. Sweaty feet. So, I still have the same nail colors. And then, I still love it. That's my nails. And next time, I'm gonna change it to blue. So this is my nail polish today. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoy our short video. Bye and love you all.